All right, welcome to the channel. I believe, let's see, so the last video we covered saving the config file. Now the plan is to load that same config file whenever. So as you can see right now, we have planning, thumbnail, C#, but however, when you go to our folder, it should have something different. Particularly, this should say changed in it. So here's the working folder. Go to bin, debug. All right, in here, let's open this up. As you can see, the header text is changed here. So let's go ahead and implement our application so that whenever we load, this will update. All of this will update. So let's do that. So usually I think so. If we go back to our V model, let's go to the constructor and see what our constructor is doing. If we do have a constructor, it doesn't look like we do. Interesting. Okay, so let's see if we have one. So control C, control find. That's the only thing there. Okay, so we do not have a constructor. So let's go ahead and create one. I usually like to create it after my properties. So after the properties, we should have, yeah, let's put it right here. Right here is fine. So CTOR, then tab gives you the constructor. So here in our constructor, let's go ahead and load in our config model. Yep, let's go ahead and load it in. Config model, new. All right, so let's go ahead and read that out. So now we will read it as a string again. So let's just call it JSON string, then file. So we are reading it from the file, remember. So we want to read all text, then we want the file path. So if you remember, the file path is this. So you can make this like a property and constantly use it. Control C. So the file path is this. So now we should have, why is it okay? Yep, I thought it was still screaming. So now we should have the string of our config. The next thing we want to do is, deserialize the string. So let's go ahead and config model is equals to JSON serializer dot deserialize. Yep. Now we want to basically give it the type of the object, then add that object, add the string in there, and this should give us what we are looking for. Yep, it stopped screaming. That's awesome. So now that we have all that information here, now we can set our text. Footer is equals to config, or text title is equals to config title. Man, this computer is slow. Then now we are getting into the color. Yep, so now we have everything, and it should technically update. So let's go ahead and run it and see. Oh, this is going to be super short. I was thinking it will be longer than this. This might be a very short one today. So I just all right, I think it opened. Here we oh, it worked. Why am I surprised? It worked, baby. Let's do a little bit. I think so. If you notice, whenever it opens, it kind of cuts this off, the save config off here. What can we do? Actually, let's do. I was gonna make this window bigger, but I think I chose this size because of the thumbnail image size. So what I could do is move this a little bit up. That will give more room for the save config. So let's do that real quick, since this video is going to be short. So let's add some unnecessary items to make it even longer here. So right here, actually we might not need to, actually I think we can, hold on, why? So 5, 6, interested. Why do we have so much here and we are only using 5, 6, 7, 8? I hate doing it. Okay, let's just do 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, that should do the trick. Let's run it one more time and see what it looks like. All right, yep, so now we can see the save config. It kind of brought this up a little bit, so that's perfect and everything works really good. All right, that's basically all I have for today, and I am going to create my thumbnail for this video with this, and I should be good. All right, I think that completes this project. I've been wanting to complete this project. It's been on my mind for a while now. So that basically completes this project. I will see you on the next project.